Good afternoon. Today we're going to talk about this new cordless saw I bought, and it's a Master Mechanic 5.5-inch cordless circular saw with a 18-volt battery system. And I bought this at my local True Value Hardware here because the prices at Lowe's weren't any that much different. And I got the saw came with a battery and a blade on it, and I bought an extra battery, so with the saw and 2 batteries cost me less than $100 with tax. But the reason why I bought it is I work off this bicycle here, and I needed something lighter than a full size. What I was going to say before the battery died was, I'll wait for a truck to go by, is I don't need to carry a full-size 7.5-inch skill saw on this bicycle. So anyways, the model number on this cordless circular saw is 134455, and it operates at 3800 RPM. 5.5-inch blade, 18-volt battery system. And this saw was manufactured in March of 2011. And so I bought the saw came with a battery, and then I bought an extra battery. And the saw comes with this grip fence right here. Slides in. You slide in. Allow you to cut down a piece of wood at a distance. And it has a wrench here to undo the spindle here, change the blade, and your spindle lock right there. And it also has a trigger lock you have to depress every time before you go to start it. So, but and it's been handy so far. So there you go, and we'll be back in a second, and we'll demonstrate this and do a small cut. Alright, hold on a second, be right back. Here, let's put the battery in. It just slides right in, real easy. Only thing I don't like is the plastic adjustment knobs here. Adjust the height of this. It's all plastic. This is not going to last long before I break it, I'm pretty sure. But let's try a little cut here. See, another plastic knob here to adjust your angle. Don't dig it. Alright, let's make a little cut here. Just take a hair off of this. Go. Alright. See, it struggles a little bit. It struggles a little bit going through a 2x4, but on a little job, doing what I do, it's not bad. I get several cuts on a 2x4 before I have to switch out to the other battery. Paneling works great. I'm doing long cuts. I did a tub surround with this. But there you go, Master Mechanic 18-volt circular saw, available at your local True Value Hardware. And thought I'd give them money instead of Lowe's or Home Depot. Anyways, thank you for watching, and we'll try this again soon.